beautiful quality carbon fiber, really good looking accessory. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about upgrading your Futaba 10PX radio. So Futaba were kind enough to send us some accessories for this brand new radio, and you've seen me do videos on it before, and how much I love this one. This isn't especially because it's actually mine and I use this to go racing and stuff. So here we've got the Futaba carbon fiber handle accessory and the Futaba neck strap lanyard. And these are both going to be instrumental in A, hopefully making the radio look better, and B, hoping that it makes it more robust and harder to drop, if you will, I suppose, once it's on a neck lanyard, that extra security and insurance of safety, because the last thing I want to be doing is dropping or breaking my new radio. So the carbon handle here, we've got some simple little instructions in here. Excuse me while I unpackage that. Multilingual, both Japanese and English, which is good, and it's supplied with two nice little self tappers here. So that looks simple enough. So I'm just going to do this on the overhead, and it should be as simple as like so. Getting it on there. 2.5mm driver here. I've got my little handy 9-steps driver. The holes match perfectly like I'd expect from Futaba. And being a self-tapping thread, there should be no need to over tighten. It's not something that's going to rattle loose. Go ahead here and tighten it up till it seats. Like so. And being carbon fiber, it shouldn't change the balance or the feel of the radio. There we go, and look how neat that is. So we've got a handle to hold and carry it right here, and we've also got a little bit of protection should I happen to fall over or drop. So that is a really cool addition there from Futaba, and super neat. I don't know if you can see that it's actually they've taken the time to like laser etch it or inscribe it there. Carbon handle, beautiful quality carbon fiber, really good looking accessory, guaranteed to make you faster. No, I can't say that. Next accessory we've got is the Futaba neck strap, and again this is really just an added security to ensure that if I trip over or something like that while I'm carrying the radio, that it doesn't actually fall out of my hands. And that is a really nice quality fabric. We can see here the hero color and branding of Futaba there. It looks really quite thin near the radio and thick up around the neck strap. So, and that's as simple as clipping on the radio like so. Nice big secure buckle, and there's two adjusters here so you can get the right length, and again that'll just go around your neck like so, ensuring that you can't actually drop the radio. So there's a couple little upgrades for your Futaba 10PX. Yeah, definitely worth getting. It's a lot of investment there. It's worth taking care of, and they really do add that little bit of individuality to your radio. So I'm Brett from Hearns, and thanks for watching me upgrade the Futaba 10PX.